You design a thumbnail, you look at it, and it's fire. You upload it, expecting at least 100,000 views and tons of appreciations. But next day, you wake up and realize you're wrong. What did I miss? Let me explain. So the problem isn't your thumbnail, it's your perspective. You see your hard work and your sleepless nights. But audience, they only see your thumbnail and just scroll up. Everybody has a different perspective, but you need to land your design in the common zone. All the YouTube gurus told you about the famous rule of thirds, but there is another method, one that every top-tier creator uses every single day, and almost nobody talks about it. Look at these two thumbnails. Which one are you clicking on? I know you've chosen the first one. All these thumbnails use leading lines, and it's a bit confusing at first. So I'm going to explain it from the literal basics. Leading lines means creating an invisible arrow by using the other elements to point out main subject. Take a look at this Mr. Beast's thumbnail, how he has all the mice pointing to him. I know you aren't getting anything in your mind. Let's talk about your biggest fail, quality. On your screen, thumbnail looks perfect. You're proud of it. But the moment you upload it, it turns into a muddy mess, and it's embarrassing. So, you go to the web, you find an upscaler, and you think you fixed it. You're looking at a crisp, sharp image. For a moment, you feel like a pro, but then you try to upload again, and bam! YouTube stops you cold. It's too big. Your masterpiece is over 2 megs. And now, you need the quality, but YouTube won't accept the size. So you grab a random compressor, but deep down, you know you're just killing your pixels. Here's the truth you're missing. You don't need better tools. You need better elements, and here's where most of you get it wrong. You slap some random effects on it and call it 4K. This is just a polished garbage. The secret to increase the quality of the elements is to drop them off. Yes, you heard it right. Most designers put hours just to get quality elements. The most common mistake beginners make is using the wrong fonts. Look at this thumbnail with a font swap. It looks like Barbie trying to become Batman. It's not bold, it's confused. And confusion never gets clicked. So yes, I've made a complete guide about fonts according to your niche. But listen carefully. Using a nice font doesn't make you exceptional. It's bare, minimum. Good creators choose readable fonts. Elite creators design impact. What makes you elite is the 3D textures, the gradients, the depth. Don't just pick a letter, build an object. Make it feel touchable, heavy, real. You can use this website for text styles, just grab the PNG.